Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix you have reached the weekly deactivation limit for this Instagram account. Try again in 7 days. For example, if you try to deactivate your account on your Instagram and you want to see that you see this kind of error, so how you can fix that? So first of all, you have to simply close this page, and after closing the page, you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, you have to do next is you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some seconds, and after that, you have to simply turn it off again. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply go to settings, and in settings you have to go to general, and in general you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to simply click on transfer or reset iPhone. You have to click on reset and you have to reset all of your network settings. Now what you have to do, you have to simply go back here. What you have to do, you have to simply open the app store here, and you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of the Instagram app. And after checking for the latest version, you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of the Instagram app. And if it is not showing any kind of update, then you have to simply go back. If it is showing any update, then you have to simply update the Instagram app, and after that you have to simply open the app again. And this time you have to simply click on the profile option, and you have to simply click on three lines again, and you will find the option of settings and activity. So in settings and activity you will find the accounts and details, where you will find the privacy. So here you have to click on account center. So in account center you will find the option related to the account activation and deactivation. So here you can simply find all the option, and if it the problem is still showing, which means you are still facing that you cannot deactivate your account because you have reached the weekly deactivation limit, then you have to wait for some time, as mentioned. Like if you have recently deactivated your account, then you will not be able to deactivate your account within 7 days. So you have to make sure about that. And after that you can simply try in after that your limit has been reached. So hope you have liked this video and get more videos like these. You can subscribe our channel.